Congratulations, you're using the best self-study CPE site online, rated 4.9 out of 5 stars by thousands of our CPAs. My name is Tad Stevens, and as the director of CPEthink.com, I know you're busy. I'm going to be thorough and concise reviewing today's course. This video will be quick, and if you stick around, I'll give you a coupon to get some CPE on us just for watching. First, a quick intro video, and then we'll get to it.
Today I want to talk about and show you our list of Excel CPE courses for CPAs on CPEthink.com. And how you get to this page is in any of the search filter bars. You can put Excel in the keyword box and then click search. Or you can go up to the courses menu under the categories column and click the Excel link here, and it will take you to this page. If you scroll down just a little bit, you can see we have 88 different courses, either completely based on Excel, a function of Excel, a feature of Excel, or having to do with Excel, using for financial statements, using for auditing, things like that. We have courses ranging from just an hour. We'll go up here and we'll see you can sort by number of credits. Here's one that contains Excel. It's 39 hours. Now, it's not totally on Excel. It's on taxes, but Excel is in it. Here's one on Drive Your Dashboard with Excel. It's an 11-hour course. Must-know Excel functions for CPA, 6, 5, 5, 5, several 5s, down into 4s, 3s, and so on. You can also sort by price, course title, and IRS credits for courses that are have at least 80% of the content related to tax. But this is about Excel. So any questions on this page or any other page on our site, just go to the chat bubble down here in the lower right, click that, send us a message, and we'll get right back to you. If you would like to purchase a course, just click the Add to Cart button for however many courses you'd like. It will put them in your shopping cart, which you can access up here. It will ask you to log in or register before it takes you to your cart. And if you have a subscription with us, this will say Add to Account, and you click any of these icons and it will add that course directly to your account, and you can start taking the course immediately. You can also start taking the course immediately after you check out if you purchase the course. So any questions, let us know.
I hope you like this video. If you'd like more, tap or click subscribe and the bell. Leave a comment or a question and let us know what you think. We reply to all of them. Remember that promise I made at the beginning? How about free CPE just for watching? Go to cpethink.com/video3. That's cpethink.com/video3. Use the $15 one-time use coupon code that you see on that page. It's good for courses and unlimited subscriptions. That means over 100 CPE credit courses to choose from for free. See you in the next video.